Nothing too tricky. Yet. In the Finnish wife-carrying world championship at Sonkajärvi, winners earn their partner's weight in which drink? You're looking for option C, beer. Name the hard English cheese sent careening down Cooper's Hill each spring for daring racers to chase. Got it? Option A, Double Gloucester. Identify the only propulsion equipment competitors strapped to their feet in the World Bog Snorkeling Championships. Lock it in. Option A, flippers. All right, focus up. These count. This mashup contest blends wrinkle removal with feats like cliff dives. What is the sport's name? And the correct answer is option A, extreme ironing. At Delaware's annual Punkin' Chunkin' contest, which launcher class holds the distance record of more than a mile? You're looking for option A, air cannon. In which European capital was the first official chess boxing bout staged in 2003? That one was option D, Berlin. Hosted by the American Visionary Art Museum, the all-terrain kinetic sculpture race rolls through which U.S. city each May? The answer here is option B, Baltimore. These are for the trivia pros. During England's historic shin-kicking contest, competitors may stuff their trouser legs with what traditional padding? It's option D, straw. To score in underwater rugby, players must deposit the weighted ball into which target on the pool floor? You're looking for option C, bottom basket. Parody foot race The Idiotarod borrows its name from which legendary Alaskan sled dog race? Got it? Option D, Iditarod Trail. How many did you get? Drop your score in the comments and subscribe. We drop quizzes every day.